My part of the project is about how biology can contribute to an entrepreneurial mindset, and my name is Casey LaGrange. I first want to discuss what an entrepreneur is: one who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of a business or enterprise. Entrepreneurship education stresses learning by doing, which science is all about, so yay, let's do it. But a lot of people aren't sure how or how to start. So project-based learning is how my group decided to address this. One project in biology you can do is yeast alive? Students evaluate whether yeast can grow just by getting it from the grocery store. Moldy jello, also something students can relate to. They design an experiment to see how environment can influence mold growing on jello. Evolution by natural selection, another biology concept that can be tested, a project-based learning activity that students of any age can do. What parts of a plant do we eat? Obviously relates to students all the time. They can review the structures of plants and learn about plants from evidence of looking at them. Regulation of human heart rate. Students really love this at any age because they like to exercise and then measure their heart rate and figure out what happens and what makes heart rate go up or down. But what are some ways we can increase the mindset? Because schools right now aren't doing much to prepare our students to be entrepreneurs, because creativity is what creates jobs. So I've looked at 5 characteristics of an entrepreneurial mindset to kind of add to this presentation. What makes a person an entrepreneur? First of all, they have to be free thinkers, which a lot of times in schools, we're not allowing our kids to do that. They got to think beyond the moment, look for a better idea and a unique and efficient way to do things. They also like to be problem solvers, always looking for, like I said, a unique way to do things that lead them to their dream and an idea to help them fulfill that dream. Entrepreneurs are innovative and they want their approach to change. They subscribe to the definition of insanity is that it does the same thing and always gets the same results. They truly believe that, and it is true. Entrepreneurs are willing to fail to eventually win. Not everything they consider to be good or right works out in the end, but they realize that and they learn that failure is part of the learning process. Entrepreneurs abandon the employee mindset that looks to short-term paychecks and building a powerful money-making business. So they're looking for ways beyond that. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. I think Mark Twain said it best right there. And learning by doing is not a new concept. Is project-based learning enough to create entrepreneurs?
Created using Powtoon.